Hi guys, today we're going to play stormworks. Yes, I spawned a boat in so you guys didn't experience a lag, because yes, it's not that big of a ship, but it is a ship, so okay, we're gonna jump right into it. Before all of that, don't forget to like and subscribe, uh, and hit that bell. Okay, we're going right into it. I did this once, and it's a really annoying vehicle to get in also. So it's a sort of container ship, and it's really fast, but then also really. What is this? Oh, it's a door. Okay. First I'm gonna fire this bad boy up, and then we're gonna explore the ship a little bit. I also could do. This is stormworks. But let me know in the comments what you want to see next, like Minecraft or something. I don't know. Give suggestions in the comments. Anchor horn. Oh yeah, wait. But lights. Lights throttle lever. Oh good. If you see this thing goes really fast. Uh, and we're going to experiment a little bit. Okay, so we're going to lock the interior. Okay. I'm gonna check that hatch because I only played this ship one time and I really want to know what the hatch is. Oh gosh. How am I going to get in here? That's a problem. I think I'm gonna need to slow down the ship. What just happened? Did I got slain? Okay, ignore that. See you guys back in a second. Gonna spawn a new ship. Okay, so we're back. I spawned another boat because that one oh, was a little bit too fast to look at the interior and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna try a mega yacht this time. It's called La Dutch. It's a pretty big yacht, so maybe you recognize it, but it's a little, not a little bit, it's a lot of lag. So, but once we get away from the dock, it goes away. I played this ship a little bit before, so I now know how this guy is. Look, the lag is already a little bit good. We don't need to go to the engine room to fire it up. Yes. So we're going to open sea, and then we're gonna experiment a little bit and watch the interior of this thing, cause it's a mega yacht. It's real big. Also, excuse me for my keyboard that you can hear in my mouse. I don't know why you hear it, cause I have a headset, so I don't understand why it's. Let me know in the comments if you know how I can stop that from hearing it. Bridge controls, bridge. I I know how this thing works because I played it a little. Yes, how I said. I'm gonna throttle this bad boy up, and we're good to go. Also, I think we don't have any islands at the horizon, so I think we're going to let it like this. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So here is a little things, and you can you can steer left, steer right, throttle forward. Until tomorrow I didn't know those things were here, so but it's pretty cool. Oh wait, there is the door. That was not that smart. This is an emergency hatch. I will figure it out what that is next. Uh, this is a sort of radar and stuff, and a hot tub. Oh, so also there is a helicopter. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna row this thing because we might want to check a tsunamis after this. Okay. Uh, this is also for the rail lowering, so you don't crash the helicopter. I had that, so that's not fun. You crash into the water and your camera, like on the back side, is completely destroyed, and yeah, sometimes it's really annoying. So keep that in mind if you want to check this boat. This is on the workshop. You will almost immediately see it. It's a really popular yacht. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm not gonna light all the things up because a lot of lag, but it looks really bright with all the lights on. Uh, what is this? I didn't know this was here. What is this? Is this a clothing room? Let let it know. I don't know. Ooh, what is this? Ew. I needed to go really. Oh, what? I'm stuck. Okay. That was claustrophobic. I didn't know that was there. Okay, so we're gonna open this door and we're here. Okay. I think this. Yeah, this is wait. Might be okay. I think this is like crew quarters and stuff. I think, I'm not sure. What is this? I think it's a. Oh, you can use it to get into the living room. Look, it's a really big yacht. If you see, I mean, it has a med bay. You know, it's good when it has a med bay. It also has an engine room. I'm going to their thing right now because I really want to show you guys. It's a really cool one. Yes, and maybe if we have time left and the door isn't damaged, we can unleash some jet skis and stuff. So that's cool. Door. I think it's this door. Yes, it's the engine room. Look at this. I love that. There is a hatch to open it beneath, so it's really cool. Look, all the little screens, the monitors and stormworks all are a little bit trash. And yes, those are. I don't know what N/A means, so let it know in the comments if you guys know, cause. Also, I turned white stabilizing or something on, and just the yacht capsized. So yes, we're not gonna do that. Also, this is the equipment room, so it has blowing torch, fire extinguisher, medic kit. I think it has oxygen mask. Whoa, this thing has a lot of things. I didn't watch it really in detail. I just started boating and hit it with stuff. Okay, so that's that for the engine room, and it's just oh yeah, it has a spa. Anti-pool. What's that? Oh, that's this thing. Yeah. Hey. Fill pool on. Lights. Do 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 do. You can have a really nice party in here. Okay, we're gonna turn that off. Okay. Also, there is a door, outside door. It closes immediately because of the water. I don't know. I think it's a little glitch. Oh, just a sec. I'm gonna turn. Because it's not really. Oh, it's not really that nice of a thing in the night. I really like it if it's day, because yeah. I really like the summer. I'm gonna show you just the jet skis, because those things are also pretty cool. Outside door, so that's closed. Look, here are the jet skis, then you can go outside door. And it will open. Yes. And then you go up, down, move in, move out, release connectors. Like those things. And this here is a big boy. So a big door is my answer on that. Wait a second. Look, it's really big. Also, it could be we get attacked by Kraken. I got that the first time I played this yacht and I didn't spawn him in. So, yeah. Is a door broken? What's happening with the door? What's happening with the door? What? There's also like smoke coming from it. Oh. I'm just gonna open it again and close it. Because I don't know what's going on really. No! No! I need to no clip back in it. I hate when I need to do that in videos. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm also getting cold really fast. Okay, I've sort of fixed it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go this way because the others it doesn't work. Gonna need to watch out for that doesn't happen anymore. Is it smart to spawn in a tsunami when that door is open? I think so. I don't think. Yeah, okay, it's fixed. I'm gonna spawn a tsunami and I see you when it's back there. Okay, so I wanna give you guys a quick thing, and random a megalodon spawned and the tsunami is also there, so we have sort of a problem. I'm gonna turn a lot. I hope the megalodon doesn't hit us, because that could cause real trouble, but then also real trouble. Oh, this is so creepy. I don't know if I got natural disasters on, because for the last also when how do you call it again? I don't know how you call it again, but the thing spawned. A tornado. It spawned. Oh gosh. Why? I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for it. I just wanted to hit it with a tsunami, man. I guess now we got an maybe the megalodon goes flying toward the with the tsunami. When I see it, I'm just gonna. Oh wait, the door isn't closed, isn't? Go. F hell. Tab. Okay. I hope he doesn't. Oh gosh, that's kinda creepy. He's just swimming next to me. He's like, hey bud, this is my ocean, get away. Is he scared of the tsunami? What is he doing? I never saw a megalodon doing that. Is it the second one? Because it normally does that once. Oh, don't attack me right when I'm gonna hit the tsunami, but don't do that. Please. Oh, it's gonna hit me, isn't it? Oh, please. Oh, this is going to look epic. Whee! Okay, that looks really epic. Where is a megalodon? I don't want to get. That's creepy as hell, man? Oh, I'm gonna crash. I'm also going to crash into the island. So, what if I turn? Cons. Um. Wait. If he hits, I need to turn, cause then I can maybe escape with a big boat. Big boat. Please let me alone, megalodon. I don't. What if I do a whirlpool? Can he catch me? Cause I know this boat can get a whirlpool away pretty easily. Just I hope don't crack and spawns, cause then we got a big problem. But it's also a big problem. Also, what's that light point? Is that a boat? Oh gosh, yes, it's going to hit us. Nope, it hit. It hit it again. Oh gosh, that's really close to the engines. That's really close to the engines. Oh gosh, that's big damage. That's big damage. Oh gosh. I'm going to the engine room to get an equipment. Okay, okay. I didn't ask for that, but okay. Do I need a wending torch of a... Okay, fire extinguisher. I don't think repairing is going to help. Oh, it has it again, didn't it? Oh gosh, gosh. I think we can call this an abandoned a failure. It's going to be real toasty in here, isn't it? It's really bright. Should I am I making water? That's an important question. I think I am. Ooh. I don't trust my character, don't judge me. I'm lost in the dark. Okay, that was weird. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave. Ew, that's new. I didn't know that it was there. Okay, no time. Did the megalodon? Oh gosh, it did. It definitely did. Wait, is this thing on fire? No, it's just really bright. Okay, gotta go to the other side. Why am I naming all titles of songs? Oh gosh, I need to do the fast beat before the megalodon comes back and finishes the job. Is the boat on fire? I can't tell. Oh no, it's just below the boat. The megalodon hit it again. Oh, from the back. What can go wrong with that? Please, just oh. Oh, it's toasty in here. And the boat got on fire. The helicopter. Oh gosh, the only escape is the helicopter. I think it's going to capsize, isn't it? Please, I'm just making a YouTube video. Let me alive. Let me be alive. Okay. Okay, the helicopter is fine. But we're going... Oh, the railing is also broken. Why, the megalodons really hit it in the worst spots possible. Is it Creative Island? That's Creative Island. Okay, the railings do still work. Is this stupid? Why? It wouldn't unleash. Why are the megalodons just constant? I think it needs to be 2, man. Oh gosh. Definitely 2. I'm gonna need to go to photo modes. Since when does that come up? Okay. Oh. That was awkward. Okay, this... Those things really hit the engine room clear on 2 sides. Oh, a little bit closer and they did it. But the question is, are we making water? Cause the fire is also going to be a problem. Oh, I don't think this boat works anymore, to be honest with you. Even the whole spot. Okay, it's sinking. It's definitely sinking. I don't know where it's making water or something, but it's... Yeah, okay. It's going to attack. Oh, may want to get out of here, boy. Wait, did I hurt itself? It has like little scratches. You fool beast, you can capsize my yacht. I think the thing broke. Oh, the fire extinguished. It's good, but it means we are making water. Oh, oh gosh, that's not going to work. Can I climb on the boat, please? No. Is this coming towards me? You fool megalodon, I will slay you in the face. You ruined my yacht. No, my beautiful super yacht. Okay, it's definitely sinking. So, let me open all the doors. The doors won't work. I think it hit the battery. Okay. Oh, the helicopter is also like capsized or something. Oh gosh. This is a really dumb idea. No, my yacht. Okay, folks, I think we're gonna end it with that. So, don't buy a super yacht. It sinks by megalodons. Oh yeah, it definitely doesn't work. The propellers are just completely... I could wait until it flew, but then the video got like an hour. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, guys? Folks, have a good one. And don't forget to like and subscribe.